I have one icicle that is 36 inches long, or 34. I got a tape measure and measured it. Got pictures, got receipts. This isn't enough. Anyway, we're going to put a fireplace right there. That's going to go in this summer. I'm not going to do this again. Anyway, brr. These are dangerous. My son was 6 or 7 years old when we went to Big Bear, and they had a snowstorm, and on our cabin we had these big icicles. They were about 2-3 feet long. Anyway, he touched it. These are razor sharp. Anyway, he touched it and it fell, and it sliced his lip. And I had to take him to the emergency room. Oh, he still has a scar. Anyway, what an interesting day. It's warming up, so all this stuff is melting, but no electricity because the ice has got a lot of power lines down. There's over 200,000 people in Portland alone without power, so they're going to come first. They said it might take us a week, so, but we're prepared.